Imagine living for 66 years with a constant weight pulling at your arm. A burden so heavy, it eventually paralyzed your hand forever. This is the incredible, agonizing, and record-breaking story of Shridhar Chillal, the man who refused to cut his fingernails for over half a century. It all started back in 1952 in India, when a young Shridhar accidentally broke a teacher's long nail. The teacher's harsh lecture about the discipline it takes to grow a nail sparked something inside him, a defiant challenge that would change his life. Shridhar decided then and there that he would never clip the nails on his left hand again. Decades passed, and as the world moved into the digital age, Shridhar's nails grew into massive, coiled structures, reaching a terrifying combined length of over 32 feet. But this fame came with a brutal price. He couldn't sleep comfortably, having to wake up every half hour to move his hand. He struggled to find a job, and many women refused to marry him because of his unusual choice. Despite the pain and the social stigma, Shridhar persisted, working as a professional photographer with his one functional hand. By the time he reached his 80s, the sheer weight of the nails had permanently damaged his nerves, leaving his left hand useless and causing him constant pain. In 2018, at the age of 82, he finally traveled to New York City for a historic moment, the final cutting. It took a specialist using a power tool to remove the nails that had been part of him for nearly his entire life. Today, those nails are preserved in a museum, standing as a silent witness to a man who sacrificed everything for a single bizarre point of pride. Shridhar's journey reminds us that human dedication can be both beautiful and hauntingly extreme. If you had the chance to be a world record holder, what part of your normal life would you be willing to give up? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories from history.